Do you suffer from dry eyes? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world do. Dry eyes can cause discomfort, burning, and even blurred vision. But don't worry, we'll be exploring remedies like hydration, warm compresses, castor oil drops, omega-3 rich foods, and limiting screen time. Without further ado, let's dive into the first remedy for dry eyes. Hydration is key. Drinking water helps maintain moisture in your eyes. Incorporate more water into your routine. Start your day with a glass and keep a refillable bottle handy. Hydration works wonders for your eyes and overall health. Now, on to the next remedy. A warm compress can provide immediate relief. Simply dampen a clean cloth with warm water, wring it out, and place it over your closed eyes for about 10 minutes. This method helps stimulate tear production and soothes the irritation. Next, we'll talk about a less known but effective remedy. Castor oil drops can be a game changer. These natural lubricants can give instant relief to your dry eyes. Just put a drop in each eye before bedtime. The oil forms a protective layer and traps moisture. Next, let's discuss a remedy that involves your diet. Eating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids can help relieve dry eyes. These essential fats found in fish like salmon and mackerel, or in flaxseeds and walnuts, aid in maintaining a healthy tear film. Lastly, a remedy that involves your screen time. Limiting your screen time can drastically improve your dry eyes. By taking regular breaks, perhaps every 20 minutes, you allow your eyes to rest and naturally rehydrate. This simple change can greatly enhance your comfort and eye health. Please remember, these remedies are not a substitute for medical advice. So, there you have it, some of the best remedies for dry eyes. Remember, hydration, warm compresses, castor oil, omega-3 rich foods, and screen breaks can help. But consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life for more helpful tips like these. Until next time, stay healthy.